You know, I always say it, never trust these apps. Never trust them. And now look what's happening. Rumors about Lyft being for sale. Uber with their new surge look on the map. Yeah, let's get into it. I told y'all. I told y'all. So today, being Mother's Day and all, and Lyft has given me a whole lot of streaks. See right here? And they're not the greatest streaks. They're not the worst streaks either. So what we're gonna try to do is we're gonna try to hit these streaks up and catch as much of this money as possible. Now, normally I don't chase no damn streaks. You know what I mean? Because, like, why? A lot of times you're being goaded into something. They want to move you where they want you. They might throttle you. They might not give you that third ride. That third ride might take you to Timbuktu. Whatever it is. Times are slow. And you got to pivot. You got to make the change. You got to do what you got to do to get your money. Even if it's not something you really want to do. The other thing too is, I mean, I've been saying this forever. Like, both of these apps, they are in control. Dude, it's been slow everywhere. Everybody in the Discord, everybody on the live streams, everywhere it's pretty slow. Couple of people here and there are making some money. They're grinding it out. Big shout out to you. I think that's huge if you can make that happen. We have a scheduled 4 o'clock Uber reserved ride. An XL ride paying $53 going to the airport. So we're going to keep that unless I get something really, really good. Remember I told y'all a few weeks ago when the new CEO came in for Lyft that they're probably going to prep Lyft for sale? Well, that's the word on the street. I know Uber, Jeep AZ, and the Rideshare Culture both did little videos on it. But I told y'all what was happening. Now, with that being said, I know it's Yahoo Finance News that broke it. I believe they're the ones that broke the story. Always remember, every business is always for sale. If the number is right, the business is for sale. With that being said, I don't know if it's factual or not. I don't really trust Yahoo Finance or CNBC or none of that. I don't trust none of them until I hear it or see it from the company. But we also know that Lyft is talking about chopping out all the dead weight, cutting back on employees and technicians, cutting back on ride types, right? Lyft shared. All y'all that used to run at them challenges, y'all are going to be challenged now without Lyft shared, if that comes to pass. And for people like me, drivers like me, Lyft Lux, they're saying that's going to be a thing of the past too. And that's not good for us. And to be honest, it's not good for riders either. I mean, Lyft Lux was that go-between, right? Between Lyft Black and regular Lyft. And considering Lyft doesn't have a comfort, I don't know. I don't know. Moves are being made, y'all. Don't trust these apps. Get your money. So, I just rode around the streets for about an hour and 15 minutes, and I got one request. It was a Lux Black. As soon as I accepted it, canceled. I'm thinking I was too far away. There was another car there, so they switched it out. No big deal. But I came to the airport queue because the queues are low, right? Queues are very low. But yo, there ain't nothing but SUVs here. I don't even know how to show you guys this. There are nothing but SUVs here. I keep telling y'all, all these people went out and bought these damn SUVs, and they're going to be paying the price soon. Don't say I didn't warn you. All right, that was pretty interesting. I waited, finally got a ride. The guy ordered the ride while he was still on the plane, right? So I got to the pickup location. Then he texts me, says, I'm still on the plane, headed to baggage claim. Sent him a text, told him I'd already arrived. Timer started. I get done with the timer, try to call him, no answer, for whatever reason. I canceled the trip, passenger no show. You figured Lyft would throw me right back in the queue. Nope. I go to the back of the queue now on canceled rides, at least for me on this trip, which That doesn't make sense. It's not my fault I had to cancel the ride. You can't just sit there. Too many police officers and airport security. Once your timer's up, your timer's up. You got to go. Like I said, apps hold the cards. All right, so I just picked up a Lux Black. 56 minutes going from Fort Lauderdale, Pelican Grand down to MIA. But I got a 4 o'clock up in Parkland coming back to FLL. So I'm going to make the swing. It's going to cost me some fuel and some time. But that's just the way it is. It's so damn slow out here. It's dead as hell. So I made it back up here to Parkland for this 4 o'clock reservation, Uber XL, $53 going 27 miles. I'm telling y'all, we in a different bracket, a different world, a different everything right now with how we got to work these apps. And yeah, I'm holding this in with my hand, so I hope I'm in focus. All right, so we're going to finish up in the office. And, you know, Sunday was a trip, man. I went out there, I was out there for a long time, 9, almost 10 hours total. And I got to tell you, we are just where we are, right? I did 2 trips for Uber, $123. 2 trips for Lyft, $161. So it wasn't a bad day, you know, $285 on the day. But think about that. On one hand, I'm saying I'm out there, I did 4 rides for $285. That's damn good. But those rides only took up a couple of hours. So the other 7 hours I'm out there, I'm not even getting requests. You know, it's craziness. And it's all over right now. Everywhere. Like, hey, look at this link below. Check out Uber Jeep AZ. He just put out a video today talking about how bad it is in his market. We're not making this up. We're not trying to discourage people. But what we are saying is, y'all better get your shit together. You better figure out how to pivot and figure out how else to make money, because we are in those times now. When I say the apps control it all, what I mean by that is simply this. There's plenty of drivers. There's plenty of hungry drivers. And I'm really starting to think, don't hold me to this, but I'm starting to think the apps are using our acceptance rating against us, even though they're not supposed to. But because the apps are not transparent, how would we ever know? We don't. So anyway, that's going to wrap it up. To all those out there that are moms and not birthing people, happy Mother's Day to you. And we'll see you next time. Don't forget, check out Jeff's video as well as the rest of the Rideshare Garage team. Peace out.